Meaning of interstate highway.
Interstate highway.
Interstate highway.
Interstate highway.
Interstate highway. The term interstate highway refers to a system of highways in the United States that are part of the national highway system. These highways are distinguished by their high speed limits, multiple lanes, and controlled access. They are designed for long-distance travel between states and are funded and maintained by the federal government. The interstate highway system was authorized by the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956 and has since become an essential component of the nation's transportation infrastructure.